Hi everybody, Tom Willard here. It is Monday, August 2nd, 2010. Welcome to a new month. Exciting things going on in the market, at least from an intraday perspective. As I mentioned last week, swings really, we're kind of in no person's land here, drifting up and down. Overall, I think I got a little bit of a bullish bias, but not enough to want to buy something and hold it overnight. Nor short something and hold it overnight. But what I will do is take advantage of the intraday patterns that play out. You've got here, you can see the QQ, really wide range days here, lots of overlap, lots of sloppiness. Gapped up today really to a resistance area and really had one real burst. If you look here on the 5-minute chart. It came down, and then there was the two reports that came out at 10 o'clock. It exploded, and that was the lion's share of the move. It just sat there the rest of the day. Faked up, came down far enough to stop you out, faked down, faked up, and I shut it down early because the volume was really low. If you look at the volume here on the 2, you'll see the initial move here on the report. It exploded, and then look at the volume just dropped off. And I was twittering this to people, saying, "Hey, where'd everybody go?" And so I actually shut down really early today. It was pretty much right around in this area here. I just said, the heck with it. I made my money. Now, let me show you where I made my money. I was twittering about this stock as well. TCK, on the daily chart here, it gapped up, had some strength. If you look on the 60-minute chart, there wasn't a whole lot of resistance here to keep it from going higher. So I had this on watch. Now let's go down to a 2-minute chart. We can take a good peek. This here was the pattern, and it broke out before the report. Beautiful little wedge, came up sloppily, consolidated, volume dropped off after this initial attempt to move lower, bottoming tailed out, held up, real tight stop, get in over here, right over 94, and you get a stop right there under 87. You get about a 7-8 cent stop on this thing, and it just exploded right through the whole number. In these particular cases, I don't wait for the whole number. A lot of people wait for the whole number, which is the safer play, but of course you got more risk from a dollars and cents perspective because your stop is then further away. So I just take it there, and I'm willing to lose 7-8 cents on the trade if it doesn't work out. This thing just motored higher, and then the report just propelled it even higher. It was a beautiful, beautiful 50+ cent trade on a trail out on the 2. Huge. So that's how you got to play this market, guys. And if you look at the 5-minute chart, here's where it was, where the breakout was, and then it came back in, set up a higher low, went higher, and then another higher low, and there was another entry right here. But I was gone. I left. I was done for the day. I didn't even take this. And another beautiful move. So you can see I was just on a crappy day, pardon my French, where the market just goes, hangs out, explodes, and then goes sideways the rest of the day. You can find things marching to their own drummer that put in great moves, and you can make money. So even on the days where there's not a lot of market action, you can find things. So keep the faith and keep looking, and you got to know what to look for. And like I said, get on my Twitter list, or you can get on the list, the wait list, to get in the chat room that I run, and then you can get the stuff firsthand. Anyway, hope this was valuable to you. That was the trade of the day. And from a swing perspective, like I said, sit on your hands, guys. Wait for the market to come to you. The lines in the sand here are right up here in this area, over 47.75-ish. We'll probably go higher and retest this area if we can get above this area. And then, of course, we got a long ways down here to have to go before we can really start going down. We've got really a lot of just the sideways mess. Now, obviously, you can take snippets out. This is actually quite a distance to where, if you get a failure here to come and it comes back around, you can look to get short in the right environment. But right now, the overnight holds are not a game I'm playing. I'm sticking with the intraday stuff. It's bread and butter. It's to me really low risk, and you can make a great income from it. Have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you on Thursday.